In the Sindhu land, where rivers flow like mythical creatures, where the timeless embrace of mighty Sindhu River and the Arabian Sea unfolds, this is the Indus Memoriescape, where the waters of life hold the weight of human existence. In the sacred month of Sawan, as the monsoon clouds gathered last year, a sense of fear enveloped the hearts of people. Once these rains were celebrated as days of prosperity, when lovers would meet under the dancing drops and children would joyfully dance. But now the rains bring with them a new kind of danger. The clouds no longer bear the promise of abundance, but rather the threat of destruction. The once familiar melodies of raindrops have transformed into silence of anxiety. Here in the Indus Delta, we witness the stark reality of survival. Malnourished children search for sustenance in water that has turned poisonous. I met Noru, a small child, with a fish he caught from the river. He attempted to cook a humble meal. Noru and his family, like countless others, lived under an open sky. These are the betel nuts native to these coastal lands of Sindh. But in this season of rain, people lost fortunes and everything they held dear. These are the homes without people, ravaged by the floods. Forced to confront the harsh reality, they witnessed their homes crumbling under the weight of surging waters. Lives uprooted, livelihood lost, and dreams washed away in the flow. The rains that were once a source of life have become an unpredictable force of chaos. Even the most eloquent of writers would struggle to capture the depth of the pain people of Delta have faced. The disruption in the delicate equilibrium between the Arabian Sea and the Sindhu can be traced back to the dams and diversions constructed upstream. The people of Delta, often overlooked and forgotten, their struggles, their hopes, and their dreams remain hidden from the eyes of the media. The assault of sea erosion sketches deep scars along the coastline, cracking fertile lands and displacing communities, leaving behind a haunting emptiness. There are two professions in the Indus Delta, fishing and agriculture. But as the rivers run dry and the waters turn toxic, the sustenance they once found in these professions fades away. Once abundant with fish, the Indus Delta now sees people resorting to catching mud crabs for survival. Market exploitation and water scarcity have forced them into a hand to mouth existence. This loss of livelihood, this loss of purpose, becomes a burden too heavy to bear for some. In these months of spring, people of Indus Delta are attempting suicides at an alarming level. But who listens? Who cares about the forgotten people of Indus Delta?